Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the Garvee 2.2 gallon stainless steel beverage dispenser. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. All right, so as we get the box open, you'll find some information on your juice cauldron here. It's going to have a couple different parts. Some plugs here. You will need to tear off this blue tape, and then final piece. So we'll go ahead and assemble and take it from there. All right, so assembly was decent, relatively easy. It all kind of fits together pretty easily. The one challenge that I had, I just got to be very honest, was removing the blue little tape or skin that comes on this. The idea is to keep fingerprints and damage from happening, but frankly, it's really difficult. Worse is it goes underneath this little piece. So underneath this, there's 3 screws that hold this piece in place. But the blue skin, the cellophane wrapping that was on top of this, goes under this piece. So I actually had to remove this with a screwdriver just to kind of get the blue tape or blue cellophane out. Annoying, I'm not going to lie to you. But that said, not the end of the world. I wish they had protected this because there is a little bit of scuffing on mine. I don't know if you can see that or not. That would have probably been better to have the blue tape on because then it would have been protected. It was not, and therefore I kind of have some damage. But overall, this thing is great. The name brand, you can kind of swivel away if you want. I like that it's got 2 handles because at the end of the day, you may want to lift this up to empty it out, which is really the concept. It fits in really nice. Assembly of this was really simple. I'm leaving this picture here as a kind of a guide. I filled that picture and you can see the level, I'm hoping, again, of how low this actually is. So it's going to give you a lot of liquid that it can hold, which is really fantastic. And you know, there's really 2 ways to do this. You can bend this thing, swirl this thing around, you can kind of just drop it down and it'll just continue to pour. Or you can simply just give it this little push and pour. So it's a really nice juice dispenser, water dispenser, whatever you want to use. I love that it's got a little water trap here. Overall, it's pretty fantastic. I'm a huge fan of it. In general, it's lightweight, it's portable, it does everything I kind of need it to do. The one thing I wish it did was not have that blue cellophane on it or an easier way to remove it. So that's that. Anyway, definitely worth buying. Really nice to have in the house and use for parties or gatherings or anything like that. So hopefully this review helps. Thanks for watching.